Hello friends, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel. Laravel 13 has been finally launched and we are going to install it by taking few steps. So let's start. So these are the steps that you can also check in video description. First, we are going to install the Apache server with the support of PHP 8.3 that we have already done few days earlier. I have earlier published one video in which we have installed WAMP server. And if you have not installed the WAMP server, you can install it because the WAMP server support PHP 8.3. Here you can search for the install WAMP and go to this file, this website, WAMP server, this one, and here you can install, or you can directly go to this website, wampserver.com. Directly go to this website, wampserver.com, and here by scrolling down, you can click on this one, WAMP server 64-bit. It supports, you can see these PHP 8, PHP 8.1, PHP 8.2, PHP 8.3, 8.4, and 8.5. So it supports the PHP 8.3. You can just simply click, and here you can just simply click. You can download it directly. Okay. So after clicking on this one, your download will start in few seconds. And here you can see your download has been started. Okay, so it is of 357 MB. And after downloading, you can install this WAMP server that we have already done. I have already added this WAMP server in my D drive. You can see WAMP 64. And for checking its complete installation detail, you can follow my another video. You can just subscribe my channel, Stack Developers YouTube channel. You can search for the Stack Developers and open the channel Stack Developers, and here you can see the Laravel 13 videos, the Laravel 13 playlist as well. And here, this is the video that you can follow, Laravel 13 setup guide. You can open this video and the complete details of installing the WAMP. You will
Represent your
find the
mission
complete details
online
of
with a
installing the
.org
WAMP
domain
as well
from
as
host.
the other things, installing the other things as well,
Hello
because
friends, welcome to
you
Stack
may
Developers YouTube
require to
channel.
install the
In this
few other things as well, like you may require to install the WAMP server. Along with that, you may also require to install the VC++. Okay, it's mentioned here. Here you can see you may require to install these as well, VC++ 2010 or 2012, 2013, 2015, and up till 2022. So these also you may require to install. So the complete instructions have been given in this video that you can follow. I will give this the link of this video as well in the video description of the current video. Okay, so let's come back. After installing the WAMP server, we can open this WAMP server just by going inside the folder and can click here wampmanager.exe. Okay, here you can able to click on yes and see the WAMP server will get started. So it will take few seconds to start the server, WAMP server. See, earlier we used to install the XAMPP, but XAMPP does not support the PHP 8.3. Here you can see earlier we used to install the XAMPP, but XAMPP does not support the PHP 8.3 right now. So that's why we are going to install the WAMP. Okay. So see, after running the WAMP server, you can simply here you can simply check here the local host, and here you can see it will clearly show the local host that the WAMP server has been installed, and it is having the Apache 2.4, MySQL 5, 8, and 9. And here you can see the PHP 5, 7, and 8. For specific details, you can click on PHP info, and here you can see it supports the PHP version 8.3.28. That is good enough to install the Laravel 13. Okay, so make sure first of all that you are having the PHP version 8.3 Apache server. Whether it is WAMP or any other server, it must support the PHP version 8.3. Okay, so I hope that it is fine for you. So after installing the WAMP server or any other server that that supports PHP 8.3, we can move further. Okay, so the complete setup guide, this one you can find under video description. So I already mentioned the link that you can follow. So after this, we are going to install the composer. For composer, you can open this link, getcomposer.org/download. Okay, so you can simply open this link, and here for Windows you can simply install, download and run this composer setup.exe. After downloading this, just you require to open this one. You can install it. Okay, install for all users. Okay, click on yes. Okay, so see here you can select the development mode, click on next, and you can install it in C drive. And after that, uh, you need to uh, you need to select the path. See, this path is already given because I have already installed it. See, it's going to install in D WAMP64/bin because I have installed the WAMP inside my D drive, and it is going to install it in PHP, WAMP64, then /bin/php/php 8.3.28, then /php.exe. If it will not select this path, you can simply select the path from clicking on browse, and here open the drive in where you have installed the WAMP, then WAMP64. Then after that, you can select here the bin, then PHP, then PHP 8.3 version, and after that you can select the php.exe. Okay, and after that you are required to click on next, then finish. Then it will install the composer for our system. Okay, so I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do that again. So after installing the composer as well, now we are ready to install the Laravel 13. So there is the command to install the Laravel 13 with the composer. Here composer create project. Okay, and pref dist Laravel/Laravel my Laravel app. This is the project name that we can replace. Rest of the command will remain the same. There is the another way to install the Laravel 13 project, that is this command composer global required Laravel/installer. So you can choose one of the command. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and if in case you want to install Laravel, maybe after an year or after 2 years, then it may install the Laravel 14, 15 as well. So to install the Laravel 13 specifically in your system, you must write here the 13 version at end. So maybe it will install. Actually, what's happening right from yesterday, it is installing Laravel 12. So I will give this specifically Laravel 13 command here by mentioning 13 point star, so that it will only install Laravel 13 to my system. Okay, so I'm going to copy this command and will install it in my web. Here I will go inside the www, and inside it I have created this personal folder. This I have created myself, official and personal folder, because personal folder I will keep separate. So here inside the personal folder I'm going to run the here I'm going to run show more options. Then uh, I'm going to run here open in terminal. Okay, and first of all I'm going to check the PHP version, PHP hyphen v, to check yes it is having the PHP 8.3.28. So the PHP 8.3 version is there. So now we can install the Laravel 30 project. Here I'm going to replace the project name with my project, whatever project it is. Like I am going to make it Laravel 13 itself. Okay, any name we can select, or we can select whatever you want. Okay, Laravel 13. So I'm going to enter. See here, so I'm going to install Laravel 13. Here you can see the install Laravel 13 is started installing for the first time. You can see the Laravel 13. So see, yesterday Laravel 12 was installing, but now the Laravel 13 has been installed. So I have tried this command a lot of times, but it was not working. But right now it started working. So I able to now installing the Laravel 13. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. So you can see the Laravel 13 has been installed here. We able to create the default tables with migration. It automatically gets created when we run this command. Okay, and it also generate the key as well. Okay, so everything has been done. Now we can go inside our Laravel 13 folder. Okay, and we'll run this project, this Laravel 13 setup, PHP artisan serve. Yes, it's running now. So I'm going to open here. Yes, finally Laravel 13. So we are checking its screen for the first time. It is Laravel 13. Here you can see the animator Laravel 13 at the right side. And here let's get started with so many options available to you. We suggest you start the following. Read the documentation. If you will click here, okay, so it is showing here like this. But I think it must show in Laravel 13 here in docs in the correct way. Yes, here you can also see the Laravel 13 version has been updated here in the laravel.com website. Okay, so the Laravel 13 has finally launched and we can able to see here the version 13 is given here as well. View change logs and let's see its folder structure. Its folder structure is similar to the Laravel 12. You can see the app, bootstrap, config, database, public, resources, routes, storage, test vendor. All the folders are similar to the Laravel 12. Okay, here inside the app you can see the HTTP, and inside that is the controllers. It is similar to the Laravel 12. Okay, then models folder, providers folder. It all folder structure seems to be same, but we are going to see its features very soon, and we are going to start the AI powered e-commerce project in Laravel 13. Okay, so please stay tuned for that we are going to start very soon. And please subscribe the Stack Developers YouTube channel. You can search for the Stack Developers and open this channel, Stack Developers, and you can subscribe as well as join the channel if you want to get the all the previous e-commerce website source code. In Laravel 12 and Laravel 11 we have the source code of e-commerce project in almost every version of Laravel. Okay, that you can get after joining the channel. You can join the channel from here and you can subscribe for all the Laravel updates and for the future series that we are going to build in Laravel 13. So please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.